All right, today we have some tools from Astro Tools, or Astro Pneumatic. I'll hold them up where you can see them. And I'll probably get the camera down and show you, like I always do, usually. So, let me get the boxes open and get into it. All right, just wanted to get the camera down and show you the box a little up close, a little better. What I got. It comes in a cool carrying case. I wasn't expecting that. I guess I didn't look at the thing too good. No skips. I don't know how much of a warranty this has on it, but these say there's only a 1-year warranty. That's kind of messed up. I thought they had a lifetime warranty. If I would have known that, I probably wouldn't have bought them. I mean, I know they're for an impact, but all the other brands, or most all the other brands, impact sockets are lifetime warranty. They need to get their stuff together. I like Astro Tools too, but I don't understand why they've only got a one-year warranty. That's stupid. These are made in Taiwan. And these are made, I've seen it somewhere on here, made in China. Maybe that's why there's only a 1-year warranty on them. I don't know, but you see the sizes of these. Goes from 10 to 19. No skips. I'm gonna get them out of the package in just a second and show you. Now you see these are half sizes. (17 to 22.5). I'm pretty sure 22 is the lug nut size on my truck. 17 and a half, 19 and a half, 21 and a half, 22 and a half. Thin wall. And I'm gonna get them out too and show you. So let's do that. Okay, here's what they look like in the case. As you can see, goes from 10 all the way to 19, no skips. I'm gonna get a couple of them out and show you. There's the sockets in their case. I didn't know these came in a case. Kind of wish they didn't, because they look so good in the case. I don't really want to take them out and throw the case away. But anyway, let me get a couple out and show you. All right, I'm gonna get the 22 out. As you can see, or the 22 and a half rather. Now, these things, they had them lubed up really good, oiled up. I guess they didn't want them to rust coming from China or Taiwan, because both sets was lubed up pretty good. But anyway, as you can see, they are very thin wall. Which, I mean, they're no more, if I pull out the right drawer, they're no more thin wall than this one. This is a, actually, yeah, they are too. This is a Mac flip socket, supposed to be thin wall, but I don't know if you can tell the difference there. It is a pretty good bit thinner. Let's see what this brand is. Ampro. Looks like it's Matco, same Matco symbol. Another flip socket. Now these are not flip sockets, but you can see most of your flip sockets are supposed to be thin wall. And this one is Mac. Who was the other one? Oh, it was Mac too. This is 1921. Well, heck, so is that one. Why do I have two? Huh. Okay. I thought it was a Matco, the reason I was trying to get it. But anyway, as you can see, they are very, I hope you can see that, thin wall sockets. And then, like I said, that's the 22 and a half. Here's the 17 and a half. And there comes more oil. And you're not going to believe this, because I really didn't believe it either. Couldn't believe it. But when I opened this case, the case of these that I just showed you, a fly or some kind of bug or something flew out. I guess we imported a bug from Taiwan, right? Anyway, I thought that was funny. But I'm serious. It did. Surely it couldn't have stayed alive all the way from over there. But anyway, whatever. Here's this. This is the 17. And it don't say how much of a warranty these have. Hold on, I'm going to check. Well, don't say anything about warranty, but I'm going to let you read this. And if you want to pause it, you can. Anyway, just thought you wanted to see that part. I don't see anywhere on here about any kind of warranty. Who knows? If anybody knows if they have a lifetime warranty, leave a comment down there and let me know. And check out my Amazon storefront. They'll be in there. And also check out the, if you don't want to go to the storefront and look, they'll be under hand tools. There'll be a direct link to them. It'll take you right to them. So, and using the links doesn't cost you anything. It does help me out a little bit. Not very much, but it helps, right? Every little bit helps. But it doesn't cost you anything to use them, so why not use them? If you're going to buy from Amazon anyway, sooner or later, right? Use the link. I would appreciate it. And if you want to get some cool tools, check out the store. There's good deals in there. Cool tools. Wait. I forgot to show you some of these, didn't I? Now, I told you it goes from 10 to 19. I did show you the 17. They're just swivel sockets, basically, on a long extension. Which, I mean, technically, you could use a swivel socket on a locking extension where it won't come off, and it's pretty much the same thing. But these are cool. So I got them. That was the 19. Did I show you that? Now I'll show you the little dude, the 10. All right. Now, if you want to know what kind of swivel they are, I showed you a second ago. Read that. It should be on there. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.